So we're going to try this calculus question with a cubic function, and let's just do it. So when they say the word turning points or stationary points, or if they ever ask you to or critical points, or if they ever ask you to find a minimum or maximum, you always look to do this same thing. You have the function. If you take the derivative and you make it equal 0, you'll be a long ways to getting the answer. In fact, that's what we do. We take the derivative of this, 3, the exponent times the number in front, 3 times minus 1, and then subtract 1 from this exponent. So minus 3x squared. That's a 1 there. 1 times 3 is 3, and x to the 0 is just 1. So in fact, whenever you have like 5x, 3x, any linear-like thing where it's just to the first power, the derivative is just the number in front. And the derivative of a number is always 0. A constant or any letter that's not x, any constant, it's just 0. So we have this problem, minus 3x squared plus 3 equals 0. What do? We add 3x squared to both sides, and we get 3x squared equals 3. 3x squared equals 3. Then divide by 3 and you'll get x squared equals 1. That's how they got x squared equals 1. Now take the square root of x squared, and 1 and minus 1 make it true. So there's two places, two turning points. One is x equals 1, and one is x equals minus 1. All you do is take 1 and put it back into the function, and you'll get y is 0. So 1 and 0, b is 1 and 0, and then take minus 1, put it back into the function, negative, put a bracket there, you can put it in your calculator, minus of minus 1 cubed, that'll be plus 1. And then 3 times minus 1 is minus 3, minus another 2, that's minus 5. 1 minus 5, that's negative 4. So there's the coordinates of B and C. Now the next graph says, use the graph to write down the coordinates of the turning points of a new function. And instead of minus 2, it's changed into minus 1. So all you have to do, it looks like 1's being added. So all you do is take the y coordinate, just take the y coordinate, like that 0, and add 1 to it. So the whole graph would shift up. The coordinate of that turning point would be, instead of 1 and 0, would be 1 and 1. That's the translation. We'll use a little like b prime there to show that that one up there, the new turning point, would be 1 and 1. And this minus 4, we'd add 1 to it. It would go up 1. It would become minus 3. And that's it. So sometimes you look at it and it looks so hard. Just look at what's happened. Gee, 1's been added. So just add 1 to the y value. The whole thing shifts up 1. And that's how you get your new turning points. And that's it.